Ever feel you're putting in the hours, but not seeing the progress you expect? Focused effort, not just time, is the key to unlocking real improvement. Today, we'll explore how concentrated effort, rather than simply logging hours, dramatically accelerates skill development and achievement. Understanding this shift can revolutionize how you approach learning and reaching your goals. First, let's talk about deliberate practice. It's not just about repeating a task, it's about identifying your weaknesses and actively working to overcome them. Think of a musician practicing scales slowly and meticulously, or a basketball player repeatedly shooting free throws, focusing on form. This targeted approach, unlike mindless repetition, builds neural pathways more efficiently, leading to faster improvement. Studies show deliberate practice accounts for 90% of the performance gap between average and expert performers. Next, consider the power of the zone of proximal development. Coined by psychologist Lev Vygotsky, this refers to the sweet spot between what you can already do and what you can achieve with guidance or support. Pushing yourself just beyond your current comfort level, with targeted feedback, is where the most significant growth happens. It's climbing a ladder, each rung represents a small, manageable challenge that builds towards a larger goal. Interestingly, focused effort isn't always about pushing harder. Sometimes, it's about strategic rest. Research on motor learning reveals that our brains consolidate skills during periods of rest, not just during practice. This is why taking breaks, getting enough sleep, and even daydreaming can improve performance. We'll dive deeper into how to optimize these rest periods in our next video, exploring the science of spaced repetition. Finally, let's address the counterintuitive truth: sometimes, less is more. Spending 20 minutes intensely focused on a task is far more valuable than spending 2 hours distracted and unfocused. The key is to minimize interruptions, eliminate distractions, and dedicate your full attention to the task at hand. So, to recap, deliberate practice, operating within your zone of proximal development, and strategically incorporating rest are the cornerstones of focused effort. By shifting your focus from simply putting in time to actively improving, you'll unlock a level of progress you never thought possible. If you found this video helpful, give it a and let's know in the comments what skills you're currently working on. For more insights on personal growth and peak performance,